Why does always a mama have to sacrifice? I'm going to Gaon and these guys are planning a trip. Oh my god, don't do that. Oh my god, and Rohit will always be like, relax, jao, जी लो अपनी जिंदगी. In fact, whenever I watch this show called Big Boss, शायद मैं कर पाऊंगी, but then always like, no, it's not made for me. Cut my meetings and all also, and always got in cold feet towards the end. You would really win it. Drama everywhere,
Oh
but
my
I
God.
hope so.
I hope so. Not for the drama to happen. Hey guys, this is Alice Cara Peter, and today on Mamarasi, I have a very talented guest who's going to be entering a reality show. Please welcome Anita Hasnandani Reddy.
Hi.
How are you doing?
Very good. Very excited to be here.
Thank you so much. I have to ask you this. The setup of the show is very different.
It is.
Okay. The first time you were offered this, what made you say yes to it?
I think the concept itself is so exciting. 12 modern city girls taken to a village and now you have to survive.
Yeah.
It's like Survivor, and I was like, it's pretty neat, like, different. Like there'll be so much that I will get to learn from there, and which is what excited me. Of course, the fear of leaving Aru, who's just 4.5. But then I thought, these kind of opportunities, you have to grab them when they come your way.
Absolutely.
And this show, I don't know how much people will enjoy or no, but I know as a person that when I return, I will be very fulfilled and very happy with everything I would have experienced there.
As a mother, like you said, it's obviously so difficult.
It is.
So that was the first thought that you had कि मेरा बच्चा भी घर पे है, and you've never been away from him
That's
for
true.
this long. I mean, you're shooting for how many? Like 2.5 months, approximately.
Yeah, 70 days.
So what is the prep that you had to do? Like tell yourself mentally.
I mean, I just kept going back and forth. I said yes. I was excited about the project, and I was like, maybe it's difficult. I won't be able to do it. So, it is a show that's going to be on for like 2.5 months, and I literally took 2.5 months to decide whether I'm in or out, in or out. Then finally, I said, okay, I have to follow my passion. I have to follow my gut. And somewhere I just feel that it's a concept that people will really relate to, they'll really enjoy. And I thought it's a great show to come back with. And it will 100% be difficult, but then why does always a mama have to sacrifice? I just thought it's okay, it's my passion. And for 2.5 months, my husband Rohit will take over, and that'll be great for them too. So, yeah.
So in this new setup that, obviously the two of them will be following, Rohit and Aru, what is the kind of schedule or what is the kind of change that is going to be incorporated?
Well, it's for a mother to not be around, it's a massive, massive change. But being a mother, of course, I've planned his entire day. I've gotten him enrolled to so many classes, and he's going to have a busy day. And yeah, kids always enjoy more with their fathers because that's the exciting
Yeah.
part of the day. So I'm sure Rohit is also going to plan so much for him. He's already planning a trip. Imagine I'm going to Gaon and these guys are planning a trip.
Wow.
So I'm sure even Aru is going to have a blast, and it's going to be great for both of them.
I think Rohit is looking at this like, the father-son bonding time. So he's like, I'm going to do everything that Anita is not going
Not
to allow
done.
us to
Yeah,
do.
yeah, yeah.
What is it that you don't
Fully.
allow them to do? Like, what is... are you a
nothing-
strict mom?
There's nothing that I won't allow, but I'm that thoda sa dari hui maa, like,
Hmm.
oh my god, don't do that. Oh my god, and Rohit will always be like, relax, he'll be okay, he'll be fine. So yeah, now, up until now, I've never given him that freedom ke jao, ji lo apni zindagi types. And now with this show, I'm like, okay, fine, 2.5 months, do what you want, enjoy as much as you want, just be careful with, like, I'm petrified of water. And, when Aru is a very jumpy and a hyper child. So I'm like, when he's around, water be, like, I'm literally scared, but he's like, you chill, you go, you enjoy there and let us enjoy in peace.
I think apart from the fact that the concept of the show is about like, living in a different lifestyle,
True.
I think it's also a different kind of a training for you as a mother to kind of like let go of a lot of things. Don't you agree?
That is. I think I'll be just so much more stronger emotionally, and I'll have so much more confidence after this show to take up any kind of work, because I'll be like, okay, Aru managed for 2.5 months. He's going to be just fine. So like you said, it's a great exercise for me to let go, because a mother never does.
Yeah.
Matlab, fully never does,
Yeah.
but a little bit of chalo theek hai, do something for yourself kind of a thing. And I think it's great.
Of
to
course.
actually take that step.
Yeah. Coming back to the show, what is it that you have in mind that you need to like at least know or prepare in certain things?
Like I've always, if you see my journey, I'm somebody who just goes with the flow. So I don't believe in preparing too much or planning too much or strategizing too much or know too much. I just want to go, enjoy, give my 100% when it comes to tasks and all. I'm very, very competitive. So I'm just going to go all out. Like once I'm there, matlab, I will give my heart and soul to the show, and yeah, I will do my best with whatever I have in hand. And as far as planning or what I will do or what I'm expecting, I just have no clue. Going with the flow, going to enjoy with the flow, and yeah, and hopefully come back a winner.
Absolutely. Wishing you the best there.
Thank you.
Ranvijay is also the host.
Yeah.
And he's known to be quite like the taskmaster plus the mentor and friend also.
Actually, I know him personally also, and my husband and Ranvijay have done a lot of work together. So yeah, it's like family. And when you think about it, okay, fine, he's a host, but he's also leaving his 2 kids and coming. So it's tough on everybody. And I think it's his support towards me is going to be great, because he will always acknowledge the fact that कि इसका बेटा घर पे छोड़ के आई है, and oh my god, I'm so proud. And I think that connection will always be there.
Correct.
Because a parent will always know how difficult it must be to take that step.
Is this something that you planned to do any time in your life?
Never. In fact, whenever I watch this show called Big Boss, and I'd be like, maybe like everybody around me said, if you ever did a show like this, you would really win it. And I would always look at it ke शायद मैं कर पाऊंगी, but then always like no, it's not made for me kind of a thing. And that that is something I can never achieve or try or do, although I've done my meetings and all also, and always gotten cold feet towards the end. But with this show, I felt okay, fine, it may be my cup of tea, because as a person it'll make me grow. It's very, very like it's not only about going and giving and like fighting or what I'm trying to say.
Yeah,
There's
yeah,
just
of
so
course.
much more to the show, content wise, and to learn, and it's just so much more than just a TV show to me, which is
Of
why
course.
I chose a show like this, and I never thought I would.
Absolutely.
But you have to take the leap of faith some point in life.
And I think with Big Boss, it's that kind of a reality show that is set in everyone's mind of it being a little too dramatic or being so unpredictable, and fights are happening and all of that stuff.
Yeah.
Like with this one, you guys are a bunch of girls. I feel that we're just gonna have fun. Yeah,
I
exactly.
just hope so, but you never know. There can be drama everywhere,
Oh
but
my
I
God.
hope so.
I hope so. Not for the drama to happen. Your career has been quite a wholesome one. You've done your bit of TV, you've done your bit of films also, you've done films down south also, which have been very well appreciated. When you look back at this journey today, what do you think?
I mean, from where I started to where I've reached, I think I've achieved so much. All the hard work has paid off. And I'm very, very proud, because from where I started, I think I've come a long way. And life is about enjoying your journey, appreciating the little wins, and which is, whenever I look back, I really feel that I've done a lot. And I'm really happy and content with where I am today.
Thank you so much for chatting with me and removing your time. And
Thank
all the
you.
very best for this show.
Thank you so much, and thank you guys, and wish you also all the luck, and keep promoting this episode so that people watch the show and enjoy the show.
Thank you so much. Thank you.
Thank you. Hi, I'm Anita Hassanandani, and you're watching me on Mama Razi.